Look, Lily, the wave pool! Lily?
Ethan! Dad! Mom! Where are you?
Lily!
Lily! Wake up quickly! Today, our whole family is going to the water park.
I'm awake! Let's go, brother!
Go downstairs. Mom and Dad are waiting.
My phone, wallet, and documents are all in this small bag. Everyone, please help me keep an eye on it.
Yes, Mom.
Today, you are the big brother. Remember to always stay beside Lily. Yes, Dad. I'll always watch over her.
I'll always stay with you, too.
All right, let's go.
So beautiful! I want to play right now!
You'll get to play as much as you want soon. There are a lot of people here. You two must always stay close to Mom and Dad.
Yes!
Welcome to Sunshine Water Park. If you hear 3 short whistle blows in a row, that is an emergency signal. When that happens, please stay where you are or find the nearest park staff member for help.
3 whistle blows means someone is in trouble or lost, right?
That's right. Please remember it carefully.
Do you remember? I remember.
I remember, too. Dad, can we play in the wave pool first later?
Yes, but first we need to put our things away.
Dad, the locker area is on the left.
I'll put all the important things here.
Dad, this lock feels a little loose. You're right, it is a little loose. After we finish playing, I'll tell the staff to check it.
Can we go play now, brother?
Let's go, but you must always stay beside me.
I promise.
Let's all go together.
Dad, the waves are coming.
Hold on tight to Dad. If you're scared, just hold my hand.
I'm not scared. Mom's attacking. I win. My turn.
All right, let's go to the water slides.
Let's go.
Let's go!
You'll slide right after me.
Remember to wait for me at the bottom.
Once you get down, stay there and wait for the whole family. Don't run off by yourselves.
Yes, Mom.
Ready?
3, 2, 1.
Give me your hand!
That was so much fun.
Want to go again?
Ah!
I want to go again too.
Let's go back and get our towels. We should take a short break.
All right, let's all go together.
Mom, can we buy a hair clip later?
If we still have time, sure.
But first, let's go get the towels. Dad, where's Mom's bag?
The bag is gone.
Mom, did someone take it?
It's not here. No one leaves the family. Ethan, hold Lily's hand. Eliza, stay close to the children. I'll take everyone to the guest service counter to report this to the staff. Stay beside me.
Okay.
Our family has just lost a bag from the locker area.
Could you tell me what was inside the bag? My phone, wallet, and personal documents. Please don't worry. We'll notify our security team immediately.
Stay beside me, okay?
Okay.
Please come with me to the security office so we can review the surveillance cameras.
Stay close to Mom and Dad.
Yes. Ethan, look! Those hair clips are so pretty!
After we're done, I'll bring you back to take a look.
Really? Really? Lily? Ethan? Dad? Mom? Lily! Lily!
Where's Lily?
I was holding her hand. But there were so many people just now.
Lily? Where are you?
Lily!
Ethan? Stay calm. Stay with Mom and Dad.
I promised I'd always look after her. She's never been alone in such a crowded place.
My daughter is missing. Her name is Lily.
Attention all staff. A young girl named Lily has gone missing near the accessory shop. All staff members, please begin searching immediately.
Lily! Where are you? Ethan? Mom? Dad? I have to find Mom and Dad.
If you ever get lost, find a lifeguard.
Are you lost? Come with me. I'll take you to your parents.
I'm gonna find a lifeguard.
Have you found any news about Lily?
We're still searching. She must be so scared.
I'm sorry. I didn't hold on tightly enough to her hand.
This isn't the time to blame yourself. We have to find Lily. Are you the family who reported a missing little girl? Yes. My daughter's name is Lily. Were you the last person to see her?
Yes, sir. Which area does Lily like the most?
She loves colorful places and the water slide area.
Attention all teams. Check the water slide area, the accessory shop, and the changing room area. A little girl named Lily is missing.
Lily, please be safe.
Please stay calm. Every area of the park is being searched.
Have you found any news about Lily?
Not yet, but We're still looking.
She must be so scared.
Mr. Sam, Lily loves the water slide area. She might have gone back there.
Attention all teams. Search the water slide area and all nearby walkways carefully.
Are you lost?
Yes.
Don't be afraid. Stay here with me. The radio has lost its signal.
Team 3, report your position.
We've lost communication with some areas.
Mr. Sam, this morning, the staff member said that 3 short whistle blows are the emergency signal. If Lily hears it, she'll know the staff are looking for her.
That's a great idea.
Three whistle blows.
Is your name Lily?
Yes.
Your parents are looking for you. I'll take you to the rescue station.
Okay.
Your parents are waiting for you at the rescue station.
Am I gonna see my mom soon?
Very soon. Come with me.
Yes.
We've found Lily. She's safe.
Where is my daughter?
The lifeguard is bringing her here now.
Did she hear the whistle?
She did. The whistle helped Lily stop and wait for help.
Are Mom and Dad angry with me?
No. They were just worried about you.
There's Lily.
You scared me so much. I'm sorry.
The most important thing is that you're safe. I'm sorry. I let go of your hand.
I walked away too.
Next time, I'll hold on tighter.
And I won't wander off again.
Both of you were very brave today. You did well.
And you were a very brave girl, too.
Thank you, Ethan.
I'll never let you get lost again. Now let's find your bag. Thank you for your help.
Stay close to me, okay?
This time, I'm not letting go.
Neither am I.
Please follow me to the security office. Everyone, look at this part.
Can you see the bag?
Here it is.
I don't think he realized he took the wrong bag.
That's right. He's heading back to the locker area now. I hope we're not too late. I'm so sorry. I accidentally took the wrong bag.
Yes, that's my bag.
I truly didn't do it on purpose. It's all right. Thank you for coming back. Next time, remember to check the locker number first.
Everything is still here.
That's wonderful.
Our family has been through quite an unforgettable day.
I'll be more careful from now on. Me too.
You did a great job today. You stayed very calm, too. I am proud of you.
I am proud of you too.
Thank you, Ethan.
I will always stay by your side.
Have a safe trip home.
Thank you all for helping my family.
Thank you, sir.
Next time, remember to stay with your family at all times.
Yes, sir.
We will come back to the water park again, will we not?
Of course. But next time, I will not leave everyone again.
That is my good little girl.